Welcome to the Hobbit Hotel in Mexico, a magical getaway inspired by the beloved tales of Middle-earth. Nestled in a stunning natural setting, this hotel offers unique, Hobbit-style accommodations that enchant visitors. Join us as we discover what makes this destination a must-visit in 2024, promising an unforgettable experience. Prepare to be enchanted by the Hobbit Hotel's exterior, designed to resemble the iconic homes from J.R.R. Tolkien's Middle-earth. Its charming, rounded doors and earthy tones blend beautifully with the surrounding landscape, creating a picturesque setting that immerses guests in a magical world, perfect for relaxation and exploration. Discover the variety of accommodations at Hobbit Hotel, ranging from cozy Hobbit holes to elegant suites, each uniquely designed to enhance your experience. Guests can enjoy modern amenities such as plush bedding, unique decor, and stunning views, ensuring a comfortable and memorable stay in this enchanting environment. Indulge in a culinary journey at the Hobbit Hotel's restaurant, where a thoughtfully curated menu features local and seasonal ingredients. The inviting ambience complements the farm-to-table concept, making each dining experience not just a meal, but a delightful occasion filled with flavors that celebrate the surrounding region. Explore a wealth of activities and attractions just beyond the Hobbit Hotel. Guests can enjoy picturesque hiking trails, immerse themselves in local culture, and visit nearby landmarks. Whether seeking adventure or relaxation, the surrounding area offers something for everyone to enhance their unforgettable stay. Let's delve into guest reviews and feedback about their experiences at the Hobbit Hotel. Many highlight the exceptional service and warm hospitality provided by the staff. Overall, visitors express high satisfaction, emphasizing how the unique accommodations and enchanting atmosphere contribute to memorable stays. Planning your visit to the Hobbit Hotel. The best times to book are during the mild spring and fall seasons when the weather is pleasant. Additionally, consider local events and festivals that enhance your experience, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the vibrant culture of the region. In conclusion, the Hobbit Hotel offers a unique and memorable experience, appealing to both nature lovers and fans of fantasy. We recommend booking in advance to secure your preferred accommodations, and consider exploring nearby attractions to make the most of your visit. It's truly a destination worth experiencing.